Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace different numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to find and replace the different number. At first, go to the home menu, select the find and select drop down menu. Choose the find option and write some number. Now I am write 0. Then click find all. We can see here many 0 all of number. Now we want to replace the number. Go to the replace option and write another text. Now I am write 1 1. Then click replace all. Then we can see we replace 15 replacement. Then click close the window. Now we can see we find and replace different numbers in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.